Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick meal Vetrano espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because he was having a one error. That means that the coffee boiler was actually not getting good temperature because this temperature sensor was just faulty and it was not sending the right signals to the PID, the one that is right there. So we had to replace these, and once we did that, we also test the machine, make sure everything is running good. We had a leak on the back, but we were able to fix it. And yeah, that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. I'm using the grind settings that we use for a Lily Bianca, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but hopefully we get a good shot of espresso. I probably tampered way too hard for this machine, and yeah, we're definitely not going to get anything coming out from this shot as I tampered way too hard, so we're gonna have to redo that again. Oh, there it was. There it just took its time to channel through the shot. You can see it's coming out from here slowly. Just took its time a bit, but yeah, I did tamp too hard on it. Gonna stop it right here. We didn't get as good crema as we should have gotten because I over extracted the shot. But even so, we still got a bit of crema. Excellent flow coming out of the group head. Working excellent. Steam working perfectly fine. Excellent steam coming out of the machine. Really great pressure. And hot water as well coming out very properly. Right temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, quick meal Petrano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.